Paul Muidu Kale Kwani lo erai aradisi ko district alo Butebu nges abala ebe e project alo nges erai kanu aigang itungalu lem e uniara akuru esamai.
It is a pilot project where it is aimed at supporting the people who are depending on rice cultivation in the wetlands. Ministry of Agriculture has invested so far about 400 million here to install an irrigation equipment. They have already installed a solar panel, about 12 panels, which will generate power to be able to pump the water from the wetland, then harvest this water in water tanks. There are 4 water tanks here, and each water tank is 20,000 liters. So it is this water that will help the farmers identify these 2 areas for the fish ponds. One is going to be on this stretch, another one is going to be on the other stretch. And these fish ponds are not going to be owned by one individual. It is going to be owned by a group. Even those gardens for irrigation, either you can have a garden as an individual, or it is advisable people to have associations so that they form a circle and then identify what they can afford to do, so that they produce this in large quantities, which can attract also a bigger and value market about. But I want to appeal to them that yes, new innovations are always hard to appreciate, but once started, they will see that it is much better to have these high value crops other than depending on the wetlands. So for now, we have continued to sensitize not only Komorototo but also other wetlands.
Na dimukula lo erai apolone cholong lo unie totem butebunes echamunit ebe elo sete kwana aina petano aimedaikin akorio.
This irrigation scheme is going to better the lives of people. In that, you see, what has been disturbing people is the climate change. Person can plant something hoping to get, but finally doesn't get. Why? No water. Since there is water now here, automatically their lives are going to change, because everything will be sure deal. When you plant something, 95% you get the yields. So the lives of people are going to change automatically. That one I'm sure.
David William Okiria, TV East, Esawe Diope.